Hello guys, this is Pastor Chris here with One Vision Bible Church. This is a short video to just say thank you to Pastor Ken, thank you to Pastor Gary, and thank you to Maywood Church and the whole family, especially those two family who contributed financially to bless One Vision Bible Church after hearing our testimony. So we just want to say thank you for praying for us. Thank you for your partnership. I am inside the church right now. As you guys can tell, we're still working. We're not done yet, but we are almost ready. And one of the reasons why we're almost ready is because of your financial contribution. It is because of your prayers, and it is because of what you have done. So this is the church that we are in today. And I just want to say thank you to you guys. And I just want to encourage you guys. I'll send more pictures, but we're almost ready. And your financial contribution allow us to start this church from a position of strength. Once again, thank you very much, and may God richly bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.